Are you ready to make Violet the Wolf's delicious caramel apples? Here's what you'll need: 2 cups of granulated sugar, 12 tablespoons of butter cut into small chunks, 1 cup of heavy cream, 4 apples that you've washed and chilled for a bit in the fridge, and popsicle sticks. Next, you'll put the sugar into a large, heavy-bottomed pan over medium heat. You'll see the edges of the sugar start to liquefy. Stir it every few seconds, and it'll start to get a bit clumpy at first, and then will smooth out to a golden liquid. Once the sugar has melted, add the butter. Sometimes it can spit, so an adult should do this part and add it carefully, using a spoon to be safe. Stir the butter for about 2 minutes. It's okay if it isn't totally melted, the cream will help with that. Finally, pour in the heavy cream while stirring. Once it's all combined, let the caramel bubble on low heat and use a candy thermometer to check for when it reaches 235 degrees Fahrenheit. While your caramel is boiling, let's get the apples ready. Remove the stems and insert popsicle sticks. Once your caramel is ready, remove it from the heat and let it cool for about 10 minutes. Dip your apples into the caramel and let the excess caramel drip off. Then place the apples on a non-stick surface, like a silicone baking mat. Eat them now or let them set for about 45 minutes and wrap them up for later. Enjoy!